Yeah, hello guys, Michael here again. And in the previous video, I was saying that we will validate the email address field. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is type this at the top of the source code of the add user form. You type this, okay? When you're done with that, you type this line of code, only this line of code, okay? Okay, so now after you've typed this, okay, you know what, I think you can type it easier, so I'll add that to the comment box so that you can you know, copy it. But for some reason YouTube doesn't allow some kind of ankle bracelet, so bracket, sorry, so I might not be able to add it. So you might actually have to hard type it, or you can just search Google for this and then you might probably find it. Okay, so now after the validation of the email field, well, after this I have added a new code here, these two lines of code. So you type this and then you add this. So what this line of code does is it checks if the email that you've entered is actually in the format of, you know, something like name@gmail.com. Okay, the reason why I've put this this here is to check if it is not like an email format, then echo this part out. But if you take this one out, it is only checking if it is correct, and if it is correct, it just does this and then your code is done. You are not able to enter the user details into the database. So you add this, so type the full thing and add this, okay, and then you are good to go. So let's test that one out and see how it goes. So now since you've not typed into the email address, it says enter your email address. So let's just put something rough there and let's see if it will see if it's correct email address or not. So it says invalid email address. So now if for some reason I type a correct email address, like something like michael@gmail.com, it will be correct. Now it will only ask for, you know, phone number. Okay, so that meaning this format is correct and it's an email address. Okay, yeah. So for here too, you type your phone number or whatever, and then when you go to add, then it inserts into the database. So in the next video, we would actually do the inserting, and then yeah, that would be great. We've come a long way. So see you guys in the next video.